Hey guys, make sure. I think I am. We are here, ready to go. All right, opening up Unity. Okay, here we go. Here's the project that I've been working on. Hey guys, and go for it. So far I've downloaded a bunch of assets, and put them together in a way that something that I never really thought I would be doing. Got I had IK rigged on this guy so he would look up, but I think that's more for multiplayer anyway, so I'll fix that later. Right now, I'm just trying to get stuff done. So as of now, you can kill the zombie. So I don't know how performant it is. We got some basic stuff going on here, and I just want to see what else is possible at this point. So I think next I'm going to be making. I'm gonna get some animations from Mixamo and probably have the enemy come and walk at us and attack. All right, so let's start with what we're going here. I think first things first. Let's make sure that we got everything organized. Not too organized, but it's not bad. Here's the guy that we're going to use for Mixamo. Might as well put this one. Mixamo. Thinking a zombie idle, a zombie walk, and a zombie attack just to start off with. Obviously, this is all like placeholders for the grand finale at the end of the day. That's so all my hundreds of emails here. Everyone's here. All right, we're all here. Me and you and nobody else. All right, let's just arms. Go for Bellboy here. And yeah, okay, everything is always checking this way. Got a second monitor to see all this nonsense. Want to make sure that my audio's on because there's sometimes when I record, unable to match skeleton. Well, you know what? The other skeleton works. Go to that. Other ones. All right, assets, characters. Oh, this Carl. This one worked. Oh, this one worked. This was from Mixamo, I think. Back to view page. Back to view page. Upload Carl. See Carl. Unable to map this skeleton too. This is a Mixamo skeleton, just so you know. Been from Mixamo. Don't do this to me. Do this to me. Come on. I think worst case scenario. And just map something. Or make my own zombie walk, honestly. Here we go. One worked. We want zombie. Zombie related. Got what kind of attacks was on? They're definitely not going to be doing any kicking. It's going to be heavily Left 4 Dead oriented. We have walking here. Zombie idle. Okay, let's try this one here. The idle. Good to me. Download. In. Right. Okay. Pop it in. Here. Try this out. Animation here. Okay. Perfect. Walk. Level 2. There's like one that's less zombie like. This one. Zombie running? Yeah, maybe that. I'm thinking zombie walk is just like way too okay. Like the arms are way too zombie-ish. But I think that might be. I think this one might be good. It looks best to me. This zombie idol is the one I picked. I don't pick. It just looks like a guy idol. That might be a good second idol. I think let's get the zombie walk here. What is it running? Going straight in right now. Hey, thanks, Tooch Soch, for the. Oh, you distracted me with your awesome chat. Thank you. But I don't know if you. Here's the game right here. Trying to get some zombie animations in there. Stuff done. So let's do an attack. I think one attack is fine. We can mirror. We can always mirror it for now. I think that's. Let's do that. In. All right. I think we just need to get all the systems in spot, and we can always clean it. All right. So got that. First, let's make sure that the animations actually work. Got this Boy here. Zone rig. Boy avatar. Cool. And I did see that he's using it. That did work for Miximos. Assuming. Start with a zombie idol. His avatar. What's his name? Nick? Bellboy. Bellboy avatar. Okay. Oh no. Jaw. You can always create it from this avatar. I think that's always a move we could do. And just use. Maybe we can use the animation. Try this. That's the animation. Anything. Pop Bellboy on there. Oh no. Oh, wait. Oh. Pop this guy in here. Okay. Why is he doing that with his hands? I didn't see that before. Is that how zombies act? It's also like flipping. Like detach his arms. I'll fix that later, but that's a weird idol. I thought that was gonna be something. But I think it's okay. It is what it is. So loop that. Everything's right. I like to do this usually. Casey's a little weird. Yeah, let's go with that. Supply. For this boy here. Take that out. This one here. Okay. Shoot. If that works. Looking more like a zombie already here. Alright. Like it's working. Dead. Alright. Oh, our guy got. Dude, was I using the wrong animator? Oh, he's using my guy's animator? Oh man, that was a mistake. Put that back. Alright. Make your own animator here, dude. No wonder. This zombie. Now you're gonna be using this. Okay. All that. And now we will see. Got the right one. Okay. Got the other one. That's all wrong. Not all. You just got to make sure this is all going good. Alright. Alright, works. This guy is right way too. Okay, perfect. Separate animations. Oh yeah, made the arms come off a little bit. It looks a little still being done here. Also, for some reason, the body parts I cut off clip away. I get close to them. I don't know what it is. I haven't really looked into it, but you know, let me know. I can fix it without having to think. So now let's do a quick nav mesh bake. I think this is not the final scene. I think this is just like a scene from the demo scene from some pack I bought. I liked it and I thought it was good enough to demo. So let's make a nav mesh. Make sure the entire ground is static. Right. I think this is all the ground. Do all of this as static. I think. I save it. Now, AI navigate. Cool. Bake, don't break. Is big map. For sure. Using all of my computer's RAM right now. Adding with the stuff we need. So we need hold on. Probably put this all onto parent. I've mesh agent. Okay, and stopping this one. Speed, I think that's fine to start. I don't base it off of. Nav mesh is doing well, so it might have built. Did it build? I don't see an error. No nav mesh. The gizmos. Perfect. Okay, we got some issues here. That's not part of it. I don't think that's it. I think it's just gonna walk around. Who cares? Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Looks good to you. Hey viewers, what's going on? How you doing? We're working on this game here. All right. Want zombie face us. When it's an enemy, probably want all enemies to use mesh agent, I would assume. All right. We want using Unity engine.ai. We'll probably end up making a state machine, huh? So in order to, well, just for now, let's make it base. Say public enum. There will be title base stack. Now that's good. And we'll give us private state. Okay, but that we'll just avoid that for now. All right, so basically right now, all we want is the update if we'll just go to the player. So for testing purposes, we want to get to the player and attack, right? So let's get to the player and attack. An agent, nav mesh agent, if distance or distance is equal to player position. I don't want to just get the player, but at the same time, this is all testing. Just gotta remind myself that this is all just getting it working. Delete me. We'll get the player here. Delete me. We'll put this private player here. Then we will say, start. We'll just find the player. Okay. Also put that here. Delete me. I know where to delete things. And so now the distance player dot transform dot position. Well, I could just set the. It's already going to do the stopping distance. Player dot transform dot position minus transform dot position. The magnitude of that. Okay. So if that is greater, stopping distance. Nothing less than the stopping distance. Then we will attack. So okay. Agent dot distance. Player dot transform dot position. I'm probably doing this all wrong. I don't remember exactly how to do it the right way. I don't know if we need to keep set. Well, if the player's moving, we do need to keep setting the distance. All right. So we'll just say else here. I think that's fine. Boo, 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 boo. Say. We want some kind of animation. So if we're moving, so agent dot velocity is greater than 0. Yeah. Then we're going set bool true, else set bool false. So one way I was thinking about doing this is doing coroutines, which might be the better way to do it. But I think just for testing, we're agent dot velocity greater than magnitude. Okay. Make sure the animations work. Delete me private. We'll make the rest later. So anim dot set bool moving true. False. Let's just attack. We'll do the attack after. We're just gonna make sure to remember delete fire date. I just want to make sure everything works together. Okay. Cool. Thanks, dude. It's looking good. Thank you so much. The black clown. Let's see. We need to get the agent. 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 Right. And I know that my typing is extremely loud on these. It is what it is. So let's do that. No fun without them chasing you. Okay. I didn't set the parameter in the animator, but he's extremely fast. Stopping distance. Ridiculous. Also, when he dies, he's still chasing me, which is good. It's good to find these things. Okay, so make it 1. Also go to his animator. Make a parameter is moving. Okay, and his animator also needs to be found. Okay. And what else? He needs the walk animation. We are here. Okay. Get the walk animation. We're using this one here. Humanoid copy from cancel, 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 cancel. Revert. Okay. Copy from this one is called zombie idol. Perfect. Zombie idol avatar. Great. Now we have this one. All right. Good to me. Make sure that everything's hot. Looks good. So let's apply it. Zombie running. Fluff. All that. Cool. Transition. Back and forth. And make transition here. Ba-ba-boo. No exit time. Short. Now this looks so fast. Need it smooth. All right, looks good. So like that's, let's do the same for the other way around. Cool. Is moving is false. Moving is true. Perfect. We are here. Ready to go. That. You're actually super fast too. You're like, I'm not trying to get decimated right now. That's extremely slow. Yeah. Oh yeah, now he's still dies. Turn off his agent. Which is here. Agent dot and false. And that this one can hold the agent. And honestly will hold the agent later. Got our agent dot enabled as false. And he'll stop chasing. Now I'm thinking I might just have. What? Don't do that. Do to me. We're here. Don't see that. Save it. Go. Now we're on here. And when I die, so it should stop chasing. Then I guess we'll just make a state machine. I'm assuming coroutines would be fine. But I do know that coroutines with 100 different zombies might be a little much. So a way we could do it, not with coroutines, making a bunch of different scripts. And since that's running in the update, is that really different? The difference, more expensive. Let's see, what's more expensive, coroutines or just the update? Update is better. Coroutines efficient. Easy. Okay, coroutines are more performant according to this guy. Okay. If a coroutine runs every frame, it's better to replace it with an update. If a coroutine does not run every frame, then it's always better to use a coroutine. Makes sense. So the big question is designing this. Guess we have state. We have our state machine. Go to next state. Let's draw this out. We will want to check every frame. I'm pretty sure. It's saying update is the best way to check change states. Okay, but throughout the state, let's just map out our states here. I think that's always a smart. Get these little wire here. Always good to map out your states. Where? Okay. Pencil. Pencils. All right, we got a pencil. We have idle state, a chase, every frame on idle. We're going to be just, well, every frame we're going to be checking it for state. Which is fine. So then we call the coroutine, we stop the other coroutines. That doesn't really matter. What are we doing in the idle? We're doing nothing. Right? Like, current state is idle. So that would be good as a coroutine. Don't need it. Waiting. Chase. Chase, we're going to be checking every frame. See if the person. Every frame to see if the person moves. It's better in the update. Back. Again, we're checking every frame to see. So, in this, according to the Unity official thing, it might be better to make a state class, state machine, like a state controller, I guess, called a state machine. But so that takes in current state, and in the update, we're checking if we're still in the state. Then we run the states tick. Let's see. State will have a tick. In the tick will be everything it does. State controller, it's going to say, is the state the same as the last state, right? We want the current state and the last state. And if the current state is different, is the same as the last state, nothing. If it's different, change states. Okay. All right, so let's do that. So let's go. I guess we'll state machine over here. Word to call it state machine. This one, and we'll make it every state will be an abstract class. State. Okay. State machine will have private state, current state. Have public state, current state with. Do we even need a private state then? Get of this one. And we have a set of current state equals value. And then go next state. Right, so that's how we're going to call that. I think that's fine. A reason not have it be public? I mean, I guess the hack would be, right, like, make them all idle all the time. I mean, who cares? I don't really care. I guess it could matter. I mean, yeah, it doesn't really matter if I'm ending up with an online game. No one's going to be able to do any of that. I think what I understand about online games. So let's do a private state. Private void next state. Okay. it will be basically current state. Oh, do we need that then for state? The current state is the value, then update is kind of like, right? Like update. Basically, we're just gonna be calling like current state.tick, I think. And yeah, I honestly think that's it. In my mind, that's now that I'm looking at this, we don't need all. I think we don't even need to set it from somewhere. Which would be in here. We'll figure that out later. Let's make the state. So let's say don't think you need any of this. Get away with calling tick. So let's private void or public void tick. Abstract void tick. Okay. All right. And now private state. Idle state. State. Tick. Doesn't make me put tick. Good. As the abstract class. Right. Doesn't. What do you want? I know that's what you want. Why are you not doing it? Classic. Look abstract. An abstract class. Don't believe me. This a state. Call it S, whatever. Because state was already something that I made here. Rid of that. Okay. Wonder. Okay. Rid of that. Now we should be good. Here? Yep, okay. Perfect. That's what I wanted to see. Tick. For idle state, really, we're just going to say, are we playing the animation idle? If we're not, then play it. And if, so let's say we want the animator. Check. See if animator is playing animation, idle animation, to see if we need to chase player, which would be like board event site. And repeat. Right? I mean, we don't even need to check to see if the animator is playing. We could. it doesn't really do much, right? So like, say, how are we gonna get the animator to this? What's the best way to? Obviously, if see the player, but here, if we're seeing the idle animation, get there first. Idle animation. Put it in here. Got animator, anim, if anim dot get. Is there a way to set all bool? Play idle. That would be say get date, get current anim date input. What it gives us. I don't remember. It gives us like some nonsense here. Clip. Here we go. Aim hash. I think that's what we want. Print this out. What it says. There's that. Pass in the animator here. So okay, the animator. Have it. Animator anim. Right, and we'll pass it. And start. Wait, we get the animator. Say animator anim equals get component animator. Alright, so let's just see what it gives us. Console. There's gonna be stuff from this. That's off. Enemy and get rid of. Boom boom. Public. Public. And then here we can just right. What do you got going on? Hear that? Alright, good. Go again. Let's see what kind of messages. Should be giving us some kind of, oh, I didn't have the statement. State, right? State. Now. Yes. Save or something. That's it. Hear that? Alright. Check again. Okay. Save. There. Save. Reload. Okay. Oh. There we go. Wrong thing. Date machine. Serialized field. Oh. Duh. Serializable. Serialize that field. Does not want to. Not on all of them. Bank or something. Should be serializable. This probably is why I had to put my money on it. That would be my date. Not. Should be. Have our state. Because you're not attached to something. Oh, I forgot. That's why I would use want to be serialize something. So like they want the whole idea of this for state machine. I don't like this anymore. I'm going to move to a different version to have like states here. The object. Yeah, I forgot all about this. Idle state or whatever. But that here like that. And once you I remember now. Ugh. That is awful. But for now, let's just give it a go and see what's going on. We can always change it. We need to do that. What happens sometimes when you make something? I forget old ways. So that is what it's giving us here. That is the name. Being awful thing. Name hash. What other info? Full path hash. Ninth loop. Short name hash. That's I think what. It still says hash though. Corned beef. This. Seen that. That's probably some add-on I got. Short name hash. Oh. Wait, oh, there's like a the short name hash. And you want to change get state name animator. Get current animator state input 0. Bring to hash. So it wants me to get current animator clip info. Okay. The name. Put that what? Okay, perfect. We got pistol walk, zombie running, which is the animation name. Here, just if agent. No, I mean, it's all temporary. That. Yeah, so I have the animations here. I was gonna do like some kind of an attack, but I have kids here and it's getting long. Pretty cool here. Oh, oh yeah. You need to figure out why he's clipping away like that. Now I think we're good. That. I've been going a little slow these days. That's for sure. Nice one. Boomerang Kid says, nice one. All right. I'm going to head out. It was a nice little chat here with you guys for a little bit. Thanks for watching to the people who watched, people who will watch, and who are watching at this moment. To the MVP. Thank you so much. Have a nice night. Blessed. Great evening. Thank you. And welcome.